Hello friends, today we are going to start the concept of class 11th, chapter 14, mathematical reasoning, exercise 14.1. Concept reasoning. Reasoning means ability to think. You know, we are generally listen these types of words कि this student has much caliber means reasoning ability. It varies from person to person. Reasoning has two types. First one inductive, second deductive. In chapter 4th, you know what is the name of chapter? Mathematical induction. We discussed about that. But deductive reasoning we will do now. So, let's move. Sentence. Sentence is an assertion या declarative या exclamatory, imperative या interrogative. You know sentence can be of any type. Assertions are declarative means positive sense. Exclamatory means surprised. Imperative means you give order, request. But interrogative means you are asking something from other. Statement. It is assertive or declarative. Only assertive या declarative. Like Mars sports life. Sun is a star. Clear? These two are statements. But statement time we will not include exclamatory, imperative and interrogative sentence. And now I want to clear in general, if we are getting the answers every time true या false, not same in all, then it is not a statement. Means if you are asking one question from all the students, yet that is a universal truth, then this is a statement. Otherwise, no. Now we will see, is it a statement or not? You have to check. First question is, the sun rises in the east. चाहे आप किसी से भी पूछोगे तो आपका आंसर वो क्या कहेगा? यस, दिस इज, बिकॉज आंसर इज करेक्ट. दिस इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. सो इज दिस अ स्टेटमेंट? यस. क्लियर? बिकॉज आंसर इज every time you will get yes, yeah, true. Second is mathematics is fun. Now this is the question. Those students who like mathematics, they will say yes, this is a fun. Who afraid of mathematics, they will say no, mathematics is not a fun, it's very difficult. So you are getting two different answers. So this is not a statement. Clear? Next is today is Wednesday. You can't say this is a statement because today, for what day? We don't know. Every time whenever I will read, this will remain today. So today is what? So it will be different. So this is also not a statement. Next is which day is today? We are asking the question. So answer will be different. So it also varies according to day. So this is also not a statement. 2 and 2 makes 4. क्या कह रहा है कि 2 और 2 मिलके 4 बना रहे हैं. तो ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ ट्रू एंड एवरीवन विल से यस. सो दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज चेक which of the following is a statement. Now you have to check, is it a statement or no? Clear? 18 is less than 16. You know 18 is not a less than 16, but it is saying in this manner. So this is not a true statement. This is not a true statement, but this is a statement. Next is, how far is Chennai from here? You know you can't add. Declarative only you will see, but it is an interrogative. So answer will be no. Next, there is no rain without clouds. This is a universal truth. Everybody knows whenever cloud will be there, then only rain will come. So this is yes, it is a statement. Next, sun is a star. Everybody knows sun is a star. Yes, it is a statement. Next, 6 has 3 prime factors. No. Why? Because 6 has only 2 prime factors, 2 and 3. 1, you were thinking 1, but it is not a prime. So how many prime factors they are? Only 2, but they are saying 3. So this is a statement but not a true statement. So not a true statement. Clear? Next, is this equal to 0? No. Why? Because it depends on x. Which x you are putting? Whenever you will put, it is not sure कि it will make always 0. So it also depend on x. So every time you will not get 0. This is not a true statement. Clear? I hope you are getting. For statement, you have to see कि is it a declarative or not. Clear? And you are getting same answer or not. True time you are getting from true always. And one thing more, true statement या false. I told true means is it truth, then you will say yes, otherwise no, then it will be false statement. Clear? Statement can be true या false but not collective.